$100,000 in SCHD or JEPQ. Which one can outperform your full-time job income? Welcome to WealthEchelon, your go-to destination for expert insights on finance, stocks, and ETFs. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge and strategies needed to navigate the financial markets with confidence. Whether you're a beginner looking to build a strong investment portfolio or an experienced investor seeking market trends and analysis, we've got you covered. Join us as we break down complex financial concepts, explore market opportunities, and help you climb the ladder to financial success. Subscribe now and take control of your wealth journey. Imagine turning a single investment into a lifelong income stream, one that pays you even while you sleep. What if you could build a portfolio that not only grows over time, but also generates enough cash flow to cover your expenses? In the battle of SCHD versus JEPQI, one offers long-term wealth, while the other provides immediate high income. But what if you didn't have to choose just one? Let's dive in and uncover which strategy could be your key to financial freedom. Today, we're comparing two top contenders in the dividend ETF space, SCHD and JEPQ. One of these funds could be your path to financial independence. And here's the exciting part. One of them has the potential to generate more than $80,000 in yearly dividends, surpassing the average income. We'll break down their strategies, analyze their performance, and reveal which one holds the key to building lasting wealth. To make this more relatable, we'll follow Martin's investment journey and see which ETF could help him achieve millionaire status, possibly bringing in over $350,000 in annual dividends. This isn't just about figures on a chart. It's about real income, real opportunities, and a chance to take control of your financial future. Stay with me as we unlock the power of dividend investing, the power of dividend investing. Before we get into the details of SCHD and JEPQ, let's take a moment to understand why dividend investing is such a powerful strategy. Investing isn't just about taking risks or chasing the latest market trend. It's about making smart, well-researched decisions that can generate consistent income while growing your wealth over time. Dividend investing stands out because it provides a dual benefit: passive income and capital appreciation. Unlike growth stocks that rely solely on price increases, dividend stocks and ETFs generate steady cash flow through regular payouts, making them a favorite among long-term investors. Many investors, like Martin, are searching for financial stability and growth. His objective is clear: build sustainable wealth through a combination of rising stock prices and a reliable stream of dividends. But with countless investment options available, choosing the right dividend ETF is crucial. Should he focus on an ETF with high initial payouts or one with strong long-term growth potential? This is where SCHD and JEPQ come into play. These two ETFs follow different strategies, offering unique advantages depending on an investor's goals. SCHD is known for its consistent dividend growth and solid long-term performance, while JEPQ provides higher immediate income by using a specialized option strategy. Understanding the strengths, risks, and potential of each ETF can help investors like Martin make an informed choice, one that aligns with their financial goals and risk tolerance. In the following sections, we'll compare their strategies, analyze historical performance, and explore which ETF has the potential to maximize returns while providing a stable income stream. SCHD versus JEPQ. SCHD is designed with investors in mind who are focused on building wealth over the long term while benefiting from steady dividend income. The ETF is comprised of around 100 carefully selected companies with strong financial health, a track record of consistent dividend growth, and solid business fundamentals. With an impressively low expense ratio of just 0.06%, SCHD is one of the most affordable dividend-focused ETFs available, which is attractive for cost-conscious investors. The fund is well diversified across sectors such as financials, healthcare, and consumer staples, providing stability through exposure to less volatile industries while still maintaining potential for growth. One of SCHD's major strengths is its historical performance. Over the past decade, it has delivered an average annual return of about 11.6%, which speaks to its ability to grow investors' capital over time. Furthermore, SCHD offers a growing dividend yield ranging from 3.5% to 3.8%, which can be appealing to investors who are looking for passive income that also increases as the fund's underlying companies raise their dividends. This combination of strong growth and reliable income makes SCHD a compelling choice for investors looking to benefit from compounding returns while maintaining a focus on long-term wealth creation. On the other hand, JEPQ caters more to income-driven investors who prefer immediate returns rather than long-term capital appreciation. It uses a covered call strategy, which means that it generates additional income by selling call options on a portion of its holdings. This strategy is designed to increase income through option premiums, which can result in a higher dividend yield, typically between 7% and 9%. For investors, particularly retirees or those looking to generate regular cash flow, this can be an attractive feature. However, the covered call strategy does come with trade-offs, as it limits the upside potential of the fund's holdings during periods of strong market growth. This strategy caps some of the capital appreciation that could otherwise occur in a bull market, as the fund sells options that limit the stock's price appreciation beyond a certain point. Another consideration with JEPQ is its higher expense ratio of 0.35%. While still relatively low compared to many actively managed funds, this expense ratio is higher than SCHD's 0.06%, which might be a factor for investors who prioritize minimizing fees. However, for investors seeking a reliable income stream, JEPQ's consistent monthly payouts can make the slightly higher expense ratio worthwhile, especially when the higher yield offsets the costs. In essence, SCHD and JEPQ serve two distinct investment goals. SCHD is ideal for those who want a cost-effective, long-term growth strategy with the benefit of a steady and growing dividend yield. The fund is well-suited for investors looking to build wealth over time through the power of compounding and those who are not necessarily reliant on immediate income. In contrast, JEPQ is more appropriate for those who prioritize immediate and higher income over long-term capital appreciation. Its covered call strategy is attractive for investors who want to generate consistent monthly income, particularly in a low-interest rate environment. However, this comes with the caveat that JEPQ's growth potential is capped, especially in strong bull markets. For investors who want to diversify their strategy, a blend of both ETFs can provide the best of both worlds. SCHD offers growth and steady dividend appreciation, while JEPQ delivers higher income through covered calls. By combining these two ETFs, investors can create a balanced portfolio that aligns with both income needs and long-term growth objectives. This combination can offer a well-rounded approach where one ETF focuses on wealth building over time and the other provides a reliable income stream. Ultimately, the choice between SCHD and JEPQ boils down to individual financial goals, whether you are looking for growth, income, or a strategic mix of both. SCHD highlights. SCHD is designed for long-term investors who prioritize stability, consistent growth, and minimal fees. With an ultra-low expense ratio of just 0.06%, investors pay only $6 annually per $10,000 invested, making it one of the most cost-effective dividend ETFs available. The fund holds around 100 stocks, with its top 10 holdings, comprising 42 to 45% of the portfolio. Key holdings include AbbVie, 4.7%, Coca-Cola, 4.6%, Amgen, 4.5%, Cisco Systems, 4.3%, and Fiserv, 4.3%. SCHD also offers diversified sector allocation, with major exposure to financials, 17.7%, healthcare, 17.6%, consumer staples, 14.8%, industrials, 12.5%, and energy, 11.8%. With a dividend yield of 3.5% to 3.8% and an impressive 10-year dividend growth rate of 11 to 12%, SCHD has proven itself as a powerful tool for compounding wealth. Performance-wise, it has delivered a one-year return of approximately 13.3%, a 3-year annualized return of approximately 6.7%, a 5-year annualized return of 12.5%, and a 10-year annualized return of 11.6%, making it a strong performer over time. JEPQ, in contrast, takes a different approach by focusing on high current income rather than long-term capital appreciation. With an expense ratio of 0.35%, nearly 6 times SCHD's cost, JEPQ employs a covered call strategy, generating a higher dividend yield of 7 to 9%. Its portfolio is more concentrated in technology stocks, with major holdings including Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon. While this approach provides a steady income stream, it comes at the cost of limited upside potential, as the option strategy can cap gains in strong bull markets. From a risk perspective, SCHD is less volatile, with a beta of 0.88, meaning it moves less aggressively than the overall market. This makes it a solid choice for investors looking for stability during market downturns. On the other hand, JEPQ's covered call strategy helps generate consistent income, but it may not be as effective at compounding wealth over time, as its upside potential is restricted. Ultimately, the choice between SCHD and JEPQ depends on an investor's goals, whether they prioritize long-term growth with dividend appreciation, SCHD, or higher immediate income with limited growth potential, JEPQ. The long-term wealth projection. Martin invests $100,000 in SCHD, benefiting from its 3.5% dividend yield and a strong annual appreciation rate of approximately 8%. Over time, his investment experiences exponential growth. After just 1 year, his portfolio grows to approximately $111,500. In 10 years, it reaches approximately $306,400, and in 20 years, it surpasses $1.15 million. After 30 years, SCHD compounds to an incredible approximately $4.17 million, generating a substantial $276,200 in annual dividends, an income stream that could fully replace a salary and provide financial freedom. Martin chooses JEPQ for its higher dividend yield of 8%, but with a more modest growth rate. In the short term, this strategy provides slightly higher initial returns, with his portfolio growing to approximately $113,000 in 1 year. However, due to JEPQ's limited capital appreciation, long-term growth is slower. By 10 years, the investment reaches approximately $265,000. By 20 years, it grows to approximately $695,000. And after 30 years, it reaches approximately $1.89 million, producing $151,000 in annual dividends. A respectable income, but significantly lower than SCHD's. The key takeaway? SCHD significantly outperforms JEPQ in long-term wealth creation due to its combination of capital appreciation and dividend growth. While JEPQ may offer a higher immediate yield, it sacrifices growth potential, making SCHD the better choice for investors focused on building lasting wealth through compounding dividends. The hybrid approach, a balanced strategy. Instead of choosing between SCHD and JEPQ, what if Martin split his $100,000 investment equally between the two? This hybrid approach combines the best of both worlds, the high-yield income from JEPQ and the long-term growth potential of SCHD. With $50,000 allocated to each ETF, the portfolio benefits from JEPQ's strong dividend payouts while still taking advantage of SCHD's powerful compounding over time. Projected 30-year value, approximately $3.3 million. Annual dividend income, approximately $213,600. This strategy provides a solid balance between steady passive income in the short term and strong capital appreciation over the long term. For investors looking for a mix of financial security and future growth, this hybrid approach could be the ideal solution. Which ETF wins? When it comes to dividend investing, selecting the right ETF depends on your financial goals. Some investors prioritize long-term growth and compounding, while others seek immediate income. SCHD and JEPQ offer two distinct strategies, each catering to different investment needs. SCHD is designed for those who focus on capital appreciation and consistent dividend growth. With a low expense ratio, of just 0.06%, a diversified portfolio, and historically strong returns, SCHD is ideal for long-term investors looking to maximize compounding over time. Its 10-year average dividend growth rate of around 11% makes it a solid choice for those who prefer stability, low volatility, and wealth accumulation over decades. On the other hand, JEPQ is tailored for investors who prioritize high current income. With its covered call strategy, it provides an impressive dividend yield of 7 to 9%, making it attractive for retirees or those relying on dividend income. While JEPQ offers a steady cash flow, it sacrifices some long-term growth potential due to its focus on income rather than capital appreciation. With a higher expense ratio of 0.35%, it comes at a greater cost but provides reliable payouts that can be reinvested to boost returns. This makes it a great choice for those who prefer income stability over long-term wealth building. Ultimately, the best ETF depends on your financial priorities. If long-term wealth accumulation is your goal, SCHD is the clear winner with its strong dividend growth and wealth-building potential. If you need higher income today, JEPQ's high yield may be more appealing. However, for many investors, a combination of both ETFs provides an optimized strategy that blends steady income with long-term growth, ensuring a sustainable and rewarding investment journey. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. At WealthEchelon, we're all about helping you navigate the world of crypto, investing, and financial growth. Have any thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Stay sharp, stay invested, and I'll see you in the next one.